Hey everyone, in today's iPhone video, I want to show you exactly how to reset your phone to the factory setting or factory default. The very first thing I like to do is I like to go to settings here, my settings of my phone. And then I go to iCloud over here, just pressing my name. And then right here, I'm going to find the phone I want to back up. So this is the phone I want to back up. I'm going to click on it. And right here it says iCloud backup. I want to make sure this is on. And when I go to that menu here, make sure this is on and make sure I do a backup now, or make sure the latest backup was recent. This is just in case you lose something, it will always be available on that backup after you erase your phone using iCloud that you could access on your new phone or on iCloud.com. So, few different things you got to do to reset your phone. First, let's jump into the settings app of our phone right here. And you want to click your name to go to iCloud right on top. And make sure you go all the way to the bottom here and sign out. When you do this, it will sign you out of your iCloud account. So I'm going to go ahead and press sign out. Then make sure you type in your Apple ID password here to sign out of your Apple ID. And then you could press turn off on top here. And then it's going to show you this page. It says, do you want to keep a copy of any of these things? In this case, I don't, because I'm going to erase this phone. So I'm going to just press sign out. And it's going to go ahead and remove any iCloud related data from my old phone here. Everything is already transferred to my new phone. And if you look up here now, it says sign into your iPhone, meaning I signed out of iCloud already. So we're all set here. So step 1 was backing up our phone. Step 2 was signing out of iCloud here. And then step 3 is erasing our phone, which is under the general section of your iPhone. It has been for a long time. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you should see an option that either says reset iPhone or transfer or reset iPhone. I'm going to press this option. And this is telling me to set up my new phone, but I've already done that, so I don't need to press get started here. I need to press erase all content and settings. In older iPhone, you'll also see this exact same wording here, just in different layout. So press this option. So then it's going to say erasing the phone will remove your personal data. That is what I want. I'm going to press continue here. Now I need the passcode for this phone. So since it's my phone, I already know the passcode. If it's someone else's phone, you do need to get this from them. And then it's going to ask you one more time to erase all content here. So erase phone. And then you should see the Apple logo screen, and this is erasing your phone now. Now, once the reset is complete, your iPhone should load up on the welcome page here where it's telling you